Anytime that you're bringing in a new system, a new application, people are looking for results. And the sooner that you can show results, the more buy-in that you have into that system. Project control systems can actually be brought up and running pretty fast. We have customers who've implemented systems in 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and that's really been a lot of our focus as a vendors, how we can get companies up and running more quickly.
A lot of our customers come to us looking for a project control solution, but they're also looking to implement standards as part of it. While we have some customers that have very mature project controls processes and they're looking for a solution that can support those processes, a lot of times organizations are also looking for us to help adopt good best practice processes. And so with EcoSys, what we have is an out-of-the-box solution that supports really rapid deployment, where customers can choose to adopt all of the years of learning and experience we've had and all the industry knowledge we have into a standard solution out of the box. And so that means you can stand up EcoSys within a month, a couple months, and train users on that standard process.
We've spent a lot of time over the years figuring out, what's the best way that you can implement software quickly, but not miss any of the steps so that you can make sure that the user has a good experience when they first start using the system. By all of that experience, we've come up with what we call a quick start approach, which allows us to kind of not cut any steps, but move quite quickly and move through it in a very understandable and organized fashion so that we make the right decisions about what features to use and how to deploy them. We train all the users, we get all the project information in, and then people are using it very, very quickly. We focus on helping organizations make decisions about which practices to use. So when we run our discovery workshops during our implementation phases, we show you a lot of the different ways that you can control projects from estimating to completion. And we help you make decisions about which of those practices and processes that you can employ. And we can maybe make recommendations based on what we're seeing about the types of projects that you're running and the way your organization is structured that might work best for you.
The nice thing about EcoSys is that you can then, as you mature and as processes evolve, EcoSys can adopt with you those new processes. So we'll have customers who look to us to help and the solution delivers the best practice out of the box, and other customers who have very good processes and they look to our solution to adopt and deliver those processes. And the nice thing about EcoSys is we can support that whole range of customers within that spectrum.
Our implementation process actually applies to all components of the EcoSys technology. So that could be the web applications, the mobile applications, the reporting. So it's all looked at holistically so that you have a complete solution once the implementation is complete. We want to make sure our customers are implemented as quickly and as successfully as possible. And the real true test of that is whether the users are happy with the application that they're using. If the user's having a positive experience, then we've had a successful implementation. So that's something that we're constantly refining on and constantly working on here at EcoSys.